Good day. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Today we'll be focusing on factorizing using common factors. Before we begin, let's remind ourselves what is a factor. A factor of a given number is another number that will divide into the given number with no remainder. So say for example you're given 18 and you're asked to find factors of 18. What you're looking for numbers that can divide into 18 without leaving any remainder. And those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. All these numbers are numbers that can divide into 18 and not leave a remainder. Therefore, these numbers are called factors of 18. But what we're going to do today, we are going to look at algebraic expressions. So to factorize an algebraic expression, such as 5a squared minus 10a, we must determine the highest common factor of the term and insert grouping symbols, usually parentheses. So, the highest common factor between 5a squared minus 10a is 5a. And that's because 5a can divide into 5a squared and 10a without leaving a remainder. Now what we'll do is we'll insert some parentheses. To find what needs to be in the parentheses, you can take 5a squared. So if you say 5a squared and you divide it by 5a, the 5 in the numerator and the denominator will cancel out, right? Because 5 over 5 is the same as 1. One of the a's in the numerator and the a in the denominator will cancel out. So what you have left is just a. For the next term, we have 10a. We do the same. So 10a. We divide this by 5a. 5 divided into 10 two times. And the a in the numerator and the denominator will cancel out. And what you have left is just 2. So what we've done, we've found the highest common factor of 5a squared and 10a, and that is 5a. What's left inside the brackets is a minus 2. Let's try another example. Feel free to pause the video and try the examples yourself. So if we're given 5y plus 15, and again you're asked to factorize this, the highest common factor, or the number that can divide into both the terms without leaving any remainder, is 5. Because 5 can divide into 5 and 5 can divide into 15. Again, to find what needs to be inside your parentheses, you can say 5y divided by 5. The 5's will cancel out, and what you have left is just y. You do the same for the 15. Okay, I change this to yellow. Okay, do the same for the 15. So 15 divided by 5. 5 divides into 15, 5, 10, 15. So 3 times. So what's left in the brackets is just y plus 3. Let's try another one. Again, feel free to pause the video so that you can try them on your own. If we are given 3a squared b minus 9ab squared plus 15ab, and we are asked to factorize this. Again, what we're looking for is a number. In this case, not just a number, just like the first example that we did, but we're looking for a number and variables that can divide into each term without leaving a remainder. Okay, so first we can look at our coefficients. We want a number that can divide into our coefficients without leaving a remainder. Okay, and that number is 3, because 3 can divide into 3, 3 can also divide into 9, and 3 can divide into 15. Now, if we look at our variables, we have a squared b, ab squared, and ab. We are looking for the variable that can divide into them without leaving a remainder. Okay, so if we take ab, because ab can divide into a squared b and ab squared and ab. Again, if we say 3a squared b and we divide this with our highest common factor, 3ab, the 3's will cancel out. One of the a's in the numerator will cancel out with the b in the denominator, and the b's will cancel out. So what we have left is just a. For the second term, we can do exactly the same. So 9ab squared divided by 3ab. 3 divides into 9 3 times. And the a's will cancel out. One of the b's in the numerator will cancel out with the b in the denominator. And what we have left is b. So for our second term, we have minus 3b. Please note that the sign remains the same in this case. We can do the same for the third term. So 15ab, we divide this by 3ab. 3 divides into 15 5 times. ab in the numerator and ab in the denominator will cancel out. So what we have left is just 5. So we have found our highest common factor, which is 3ab. And if we factor that out, what we have left is then a minus 3b plus 5. I hope this video was helpful. Please do practice some more. If you haven't subscribed, liked, or shared this video, please do so. See you on the next video.